Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the art class. See, I've got a very interesting topic for you today, which is colorful houses. I know little kids like you love to make a house in their drawing. I've seen that whenever children like you make a scenery, they always make mountains, sun, a little river flowing, and there is one cute little house also in the picture, isn't it? And I think the reason for this is because you all love your sweet little home and you all love your family members, right? So, are you ready today to make a drawing with lots and lots of beautiful, cute, colorful houses? Let's begin. Now, to make a house, again, we are going to make it with geometrical shapes. You all know how to use the basic shapes, triangle, circle, and rectangle. To begin with, children, start by making the roof with a triangle shape. Next, we are going to make two lines to make the rectangle for the bottom of the house. Now this bottom part has the four walls and the door and the window. This is actually the place where we are living. We have our rooms and everything. Now take this till the end of the sheet. Okay, children? Now let's make a door. Make a rounded door. Let's add these little squares for the windows. You can show an open window also. I'll teach you how to do that. We can make a pigeonhole, a chimney, some smoke coming out of it. Somebody's cooking inside the house. Now, next. Another house. This time, again a triangle. And this time we are making this one. You know how to make this? Triangle, two sleeping lines, one diagonal line, and then bring one, two, three lines down. Let's make a door. Now, if you want to show that the door is open, children, what you can do, make another curve. Bring this down. And here is the knob. Now, let's add windows. If you want to show a two-storied house, you can add more windows. Now windows, if you want to show they are open, then they look like these toffees. You know how to make a toffee? This toffee has a wrapper like this, na? So, it is your wish, children. It's not necessary that you make open windows. Two slanting lines out and then like this. Two slanting lines out and then like this. Two slanting lines out and then like this. Want to make curtain? You can make curtain like this, or you can just leave it plain. Let's add a chimney for this house also. Done. Now in the topic playing with a ball, you've learned how to make bricks. So you can make bricks or you can make a simple pattern if you wish to. Otherwise you can leave it like that. Let's make another house, children. Again, this time I'm repeating this simple one. Just one line can be seen, other line is behind that house, and one more. Okay. And now let's add windows and door. Now we are done, children. And today we are going to do something different. We are going to make a night sky. So let's make the crescent shape with the sea. Ready? Done? And if you want to add some stars, you can make star shape. Or another way of making the stars is just by making these circles, which can be later colored. Or you can make star shape. Star shape if you want to make, children. Then for that, make a shape, then 2 lines out, then 2 lines in, then again 2 lines out, and go up and join. Make a 2 lines out, 2 lines in, again 2 lines out, and then take this up and join this here. Similarly, I'll tell you once again. 2 lines out, 2 lines in, again out, and then up, in. Same way. So our topic, colorful houses. The drawing is done. We are going to outline this neatly, and this time I'm going to teach you something different also. For that, you have to wait till the next art class. See you, students. Bye bye.